Hi, it's George Streeter, your ethics professor, and I thought I'd spend a few minutes talking about how to submit assignments to the assignment folder and how to access the quizzes. Also, how to sign up for virtual office hours with me. So let's get started. I'll begin by putting it into student mode so you can see it as you will see it. And here's our home page again. Each week, though not the first week, but starting in the second week, there will be weekly homework assignments that are due on Friday. And you submit your homework assignments and your essay assignments to the same place, the assignment folders here under the assessment menu. I've already got the first folder set up here for homework. Okay, again, that will be due on the second week, on Friday of the second week. So we can talk more about that. But just to show you where it is, and when you're ready to submit something, you click the folder, okay, and there will be a description of what the homework assignment is here. And then you will, up here, and then you will add a file. And then if you want to write comments to indicate to me something about the assignment that you're submitting that you want me to know, you can put them there, but you don't have to put comments. You can just add a file. Now, for the homework assignments, if you're using Google Docs, make sure to download the Google Doc as a docx file or a Word document or a PDF file. Those are the formats that can be used as files to upload into the homework folder. Okay, so Google Docs themselves cannot be uploaded. You have to convert them to docx files, Word documents, or PDF files. Okay, but once you're ready to submit something in that format, you just click Add a File and go to the relevant folder in your computer, upload it, okay, and I'll just put something here and then add it to the folder, and then I can view it from there. And once you see it listed there, just click Submit, and it's there for me to view and assess. Okay. Similarly, in the assessment menu, there is a quiz module here, so click Quizzes. And the first quiz will be due on the first day of class. It's just a practice quiz. I just want to see that you know how to use it. You have 2 chances to take quizzes, and I grade your highest score. The quizzes are going to be very simple, kind of reading-based quizzes, where I'm asking you to answer some very basic questions about the reading, or literally find passages in the reading that are important and identify them. So, but the first quiz is here, and again, you just click on the relevant quiz. This is quiz number 1, and then it will allow you to take the quiz. Okay. Once you're in there, it's not yet open to be, it's not available. But when it's available, when you click quiz, you'll see the quiz. It'll prompt you to answer the questions, and then I think you have a time limit. And it will remind you of when your time is up. Again, if you mess up the first try, you can always try a second time. Okay. So the last thing I want to show you here is how to sign up for office hours. If you go into the content page again and to the syllabus, you'll see that the virtual office hours are scheduled through Calendly. This is an app that you'll need to link to your Gmail account. So you just go into Calendly and it will ask you to link it to your Gmail account. You don't have to pay for it or anything, but you just have to link it to your Gmail account, your Prairie State Gmail account. So you will click this link here, and it will take you to my calendar basically. And I have times listed. So let's take August 19th. That's the day after our first meeting. So for Wednesdays, I have these times listed, 9 to 11, I believe, or 9 to 10:30. Okay, so basically 9 to 11 on Wednesdays. Thursdays also 9 to 11. Tuesdays in the afternoon from 2 to 3. And Mondays also 9 to 11. So I think those are my times. If they change, you'll see the change in the calendar, okay? But what you do is you just choose a time and you click here, and then it will ask you to confirm, and then that will send me an email telling me that we have an office hour set up, and you will get the same email inviting you to office hour, and the office hours are held on Google Meet, just like our virtual class. And so you'll get a Google Meet invitation from Calendly. Sorry, you'll get an invitation from Calendly to join a Google Meet meeting with me. And so that's how we'll do the office hours. I think Calendly, I think you'll find, is pretty easy to use. And all you have to do is link it with your Gmail account. Okay? So I think that's all I wanted to explain for now. I look forward to meeting you on Tuesday for our first virtual class. If you have any questions at all, just email me. My email is on the syllabus. And please do make sure to read carefully the syllabus and go through the content page before class. Let me just show you really quickly. I mean, we'll talk about it the first day of class, but you have time before class to look at it yourself. On the content page, I think you'll see this how to navigate the course. It explains many of the things that I've been explaining in the videos. Okay, and another thing to look at is the weekly content. And this is the schedule, sort of the weekly schedule. So here you see week 1, and it sort of breaks down the goals of the week and the things to do that week. I haven't filled in all of the weeks yet, but this is a start. You can sort of begin looking at the early part of the semester and the things that are going to be due that part of the semester. Okay, again, these are things I will talk you through on the first day of class, but you can do some of the work of searching and navigating and browsing through these modules yourself before we meet. Okay, that's all for now. Take care.